Rohr here with an early, concise highlight on Wednesday, May 27th. It's currently 7:30 a.m. And we wanted to wait till a little closer to the U.S. opening than usual just to see how the recovery from yesterday's major hit was progressing. And we'll get back to that momentarily, but for right now, the foreign exchange is pretty much exactly the same as Tuesday morning's global view. So we'll be concentrating on the equities and the govies. So what does all this mean to the markets? Well, we were again waiting on the S&P because the recovery is carried up to right around 2109. It's up about $4 on the day after yesterday's major failure below the upward channel here at 2122, but that also was back below the previous highs that had held at the low end back around 2119 last week on a couple of mornings. It was interesting. If we go back to last Wednesday and last Thursday, we had two separate days where the market opened lower, but then couldn't get back below 2119, which of course it did very quickly yesterday on the opening, and then ends up failing 2112 to 15 very quickly as well. And that's important because that was old resistance set up in late April with the downside reversal from 2119, and we'll take another look at that as we get into the intermediate term charts. But what it means now is starting anywhere around 2112 to 15, and especially up as you get into this gap right near 2119 to maybe 2122 and a half top whack. That's the actual down break level. That's where this market could very possibly stall if either the data weakens or the Greek concerns become more prominent. And that pretty much does it for the S&P 500, except to note, of course, that on any recovery, we will, as usual, be watching closely to see if the hourly MACD gets back above this lower runaway band or ends up stalling right around it and heading back down. And so that's something we'll just have to keep an eye on across time. We also note on any near-term recovery, there'll be some encouragement from the hourly stochastic, which has gotten quite oversold and is aligned right now to give you a minor upturn signal, at least in the near term.